Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are enjoying good health. Today we are going to do our next two pages, page number 81 plus page number 82. At page 81, here we have subtraction. Students, do you remember what is subtraction? Let me remind you the process of taking one number or amount away from the another number or amount. Comparing numbers. Students, comparing means to examine the difference between numbers or values to decide if it is greater than, less than, or equal to another quality. Let us compare numbers to identify how much less one is from the other. Students, we are going to compare numbers. Compare 2 and 5. Bobo, the bunny, jumps backward on the number line. Students, do you remember we use number line to subtract the numbers? Let me show you. Number line. Students, we are going to use this number line to compare numbers. We are going to find out the difference between 2 and 5. Here we have a number line, number 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 is the smaller number and 5 is the bigger number. We are going to jump over the numbers to the left and reach at the number 2. 5. Now we are going to start jumping. 1, 2, 3. Students, when we jump 3 times, we reach at the number 2. Bobo jumps 3 times to reach 2. Therefore, we say 2 is 3 less than 5. Here we have another example. Compare 3 and 8. We are going to compare these two numbers by using the number line. Bobo jumps again on the number line. Students, 3 is the smaller number and 8 is the bigger number. We are going to jump over the numbers to the left and reach at the number 3. Here we have our bigger number is 8. So we are going to start jump from the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Students, when Bobo jumps 5 times, he reached at the number 3. Bobo jumps 5 times to reach 3. Therefore, we say 3 is 5 less than 8. Students, now we are ready to do page number 82. At page 82, here we have question number 1. And the question is, compare the numbers and write how much one is less than the other. One has been done for you. Here we have some numbers. We are going to compare them. Here we have point A, and this one point is done for our help. Compare 2 and 7. Students, we are going to identify the difference between 2 and 7, and we are going to use number line to identify this difference. 2 is the smaller number and 7 is the bigger number. We are going to find out these two numbers on number line. Here we have the number 2. Here we have the number 7. Students, 7 is the bigger number and 2 is the smaller number. We are going to jump over the numbers to the left to reach at the number 2. We are going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Students, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We jump 5 times to reach number 2. 2 is 5 less than 7. Go for the next one. Here we have point B. At point B, here we have compare 3 and 8. We are going to compare these two numbers, 3 and 8. For this, we are going to use number line. First of all, we are going to find out these two numbers at number line. Here we have the number 8, which is our bigger number, and here we have the number 3, which is our smaller number. Students, when we jump over the numbers to the left and reach at the number 3, we will get our answer. Let's start jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Students, we jump 5 times to reach at the number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are going to write 5 here. 3 is 5 less than 8. Go for the next one. Here we have point C. At point C, here we have compare 4 and 9. We are going to identify the difference between 4 and 9. For this, we are going to use number line. First of all, we are going to find out these two numbers at number line. Students, here we have the number 4, which is our smaller number, and here we have the number 9, which is our bigger number. When we jump over the numbers to the left and reach at the number 4, we will get our answer. Start jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Students, when we jump 5 times to the left, we got our answer, which is 5. We are going to write 5 here. 4 is 5 less than 9. Go for the next one. Point D. At point D, here we have compare 6 and 13. We are going to identify the difference between 6 and 13. Students, for this we are going to use number line. First of all, we are going to find out these two numbers at number line. Here we have the number 6, which is our smaller number, and here we have the number 13, which is our bigger number. And now students, we are going to jump over the numbers and reach at the number 6. 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When we jump 7 times, we reach at the number 6. 7 is our answer. We are going to write 7 in the box. 6 is 7 less than 13. Go for the next one. Here we have point E. At point E, here we have compare 1 and 5. We are going to compare these two numbers to identify the difference between 1 and 5, and we are going to use the number line. First of all, we are going to find out these two numbers at number line 1 and 5. Here we have the number 1, which is our smaller number, and here we have the number 5, which is our bigger number. We are going to jump to the left and reach at the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Students, we jump 4 times to reach at the number 1. So 4 is our answer. We are going to write 4 in the box. 1 is 4 less than 5. Go for the next one. Here we have point F. At point F, here we have compare 7 and 15. We are going to identify the difference between 7 and 15. For this, we are going to use the number line. First of all, we will find out these two numbers at the number line 7 and 15. Here we have the number 7, which is our smaller number, and here we have the number 15, which is our bigger number. So we will jump over the numbers to the left to reach at the number 7. 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We jump 8 times to reach at the number 7. 8 is our answer. We are going to write 8 in the box. 7 is 8 less than 15. Go for the next one. Here we have point G. At point G, here we have compare 8 and 17. We are going to identify the difference between 8 and 17. For this, we will use the number line. First of all, we are going to find out the number 8 and 17 on number line. Here we have the number 8, which is our smaller number, than the number 17, which is our bigger number. We are going to jump over the numbers to the left and reach at the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Students, when we jump over the numbers 9 times, we reach at the number 8. So 9 is our answer. We are going to write 9 in the box. 8 is 9 less than 17. Students, we complete our today's work. You have to do it in neat way. Stay at your home. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.